Tofu Spring Rolls. Here we go. You're gonna have your rice paper, Thai basil, your mint, your broccoli sprout, bean sprouts, cucumber, carrots, green onions, and the garlic there, that's for the dipping sauce afterwards. The cilantro, we have the tofu. First of all, we're gonna get our tofu going. What's going to go in the sauce that's gonna be cooked with is rice vinegar, soy sauce, chili oil, sesame oil, sriracha, and a little bit of sugar. This is for a dipping sauce over here. It's hoisin, lemon, red pepper, and peanut butter. That's it. Okay, let's prepare this tofu. Be just roll size. So first of all, let's cut it right down the middle. Or just use those for now. These, after we cook them, then we can cut them again, but we're going to cook them this way. This is going to be the sauce used to cook with the tofu. First, we'll start off with the chili oil. 1 tablespoon chili oil. 1 tablespoon sesame oil. 1 tablespoon sriracha. 1 tablespoon sugar. And rice vinegar, we'll put in 2 tablespoons. And the soy, we'll do 3 tablespoons. Now we're just going to mix this really good, just like that. On a medium heat. Warm, so let's grab our tofu. This ain't gonna be very long. You really don't have to cook this, but it's gonna give it the flavor. Just give them a little flip. Just seasoning up these super firm tofu. You don't want to cook it too much. You don't want to dry them on out, make them all hard. That's all that good. And we got more sauce, but in case we need the other one, but I doubt we're going to need it. Okay, we'll let that set aside. They're cool. Here I got just water, warm water for our rice papers. Okay, let's make the dipping sauce back here. Fire it on up. We'll turn it on real low. Start off about a tablespoon sesame oil, red hot chili oil, tablespoon, half tablespoon maybe. About a tablespoon of sugar, about a teaspoon of red chili pepper, about 4 tablespoons soy. There's lemon juice, about 3 tablespoons, and hoisin. You're going to want about a 1/4 cup. We'll warm that up and give it a little stir. Might want to give it a little taste. Actually, just go throw another couple of tablespoons of hoisin, more hoisin in there. It's peanut butter sauce, so we're going to add about a cup of peanut butter. Throw a dash of a little more sugar in there. Let's give that a stir. I'm going to mix it. Shoot. I forgot to do the garlic. So we're going to get that done real quick here. Supposed to add the garlic to the oil. I didn't do that, but easy enough. We'll just throw a little bit of chili oil in there. Something for the garlic to fry in. Alright, let's get the garlic going out. I have about 4 cloves of garlic. Gonna cook the rawness out of the garlic real quick. I usually do this in the beginning before I added everything, so oh well. Let's just cook this garlic down just a hair, because it throws a lot of flavor in there. You don't want to burn it. So let's go ahead and throw the garlic in there into our mixture. Get the heat going again. Let's just stir this on up. Okay. Everything's incorporated, so that's good. Now we got our peanut sauce ready. to go ahead and take our tofu out. These are all nice and seasoned now. I'm just going to cut them right down the middle. Okay, those are good. So now the fun begins. Bring it all over. This is going to go fast. So don't just get it wet like that. Set it over here. It will get soft. So I'm just going to lay down a couple Thai basil, the tofu, broccoli sprouts, bean sprouts, cucumber, a little bit of carrots, green onion, cilantro, and that's it. Maybe throw a couple more mint in there. That's it. Let's roll this guy up. So in order to roll it, you grab one side, pull it over. Pull it over like that, roll it, make it tight. Make it real tight. This is all veggies. There. So first of all, let's just give this a shot. A bit of the dip. Put it right on there like that. Let's try that out. Check it out. Try this again. The dip is what makes it. The peanut butter. That's the whole secret. But it's all veggie, tofu. It's delicious. Definitely got your veggies this way. It's a delicious way to do it. Tell you that right now. All right. I'm gonna try this for the first time. It's brown rice. These rice sheets. Let's give that a shot. And remember, these things, they get soft fairly quick when you use hotter water. Okay, broccoli sprouts, Thai basil, mint and Thai basil is really for me what does it. And then bean sprouts, your little tofu log that's all seasoned up right there. I'll do a couple more, 3 cucumbers, some of my shredded little carrots, a couple green onions, and cilantro, which is good. Now I get my little sauce over here, just like that. I'm pretty generous with it. So like I said, that's what makes your roll is your sauce. You don't have good sauce, it's kind of not good. Grab it, pull it up and over like a little burrito. This one's kind of big, so you want to pull it, see, then you make it tight, and just continue to roll, and there we go. That's a good one, big one. Lay that right there. Alright, let's do another one. Did the little dunk, put it on over here. I always start, not always, but I like to start because these are the main things, so I don't forget them. Thai basil, the mint, broccoli sprouts, bean sprouts. This time we're gonna do, let's try 4 cucumber. Well, they're gonna be pretty big, so, and don't forget your tofu. Carrots, green onion, cilantro, and my sauce. Put the little sauce back there, like just like so. Let's just throw that up first, and then just fold your edges over. I think these working better than those brown rice. It's easier to play with. Anyway, there you go. Look at that. Smooth, perfect. Now, no dipping. You already have your sauce right in there. You see that? Basil, mint, broccoli sprouts, bean sprouts, cucumber, carrot, green onion, tofu, cilantro, and the sauce. Whoosh, straight over there. So go ahead and grab that, just pour on up. Flip the sides over. Just like that. Just roll it on out. Woohoo. Oh, see, it opened up a little bit. That means I gotta test it again. See? Kind of broke. Delicious. All the sauce. Man, this is good for real. All right, I'm seeing one more bite. It's awesome. You gotta make these. The seasoned tofu, we were at a restaurant and they had these rolls. We tried it. I like them better than the ones with chicken and different things. This is awesome though, especially the way you got to season it first. It's awesome. Helpful hint going on here. Now that we got these, to store them, if they're not eaten right away, just get yourself some plastic wrap like this, saran wrap. Give yourself a pretty good piece. I usually make a pretty good size, and then you want to, let it cut it off up there. But the trick is up on top up here, you want to roll it a few times. Because you're ever trying to find that end on a piece of tape, trying to scratch it and stuff, and where is it? But anyway, you put that's on that end, then you come get your roll over here. So this one you just roll up normally. You just roll it, and I always just fold it up. That way now, when you take it apart, you know where the thing is to unroll it. Makes it that much easier. That's how I do it, and it works great. Easy. Easy's better, especially when you're hungry. All right, now, you guys have a good one. All right, I still can't stop eating these things. They're so good. All right, now, thanks for watching again. All right, you guys have a good night.